Good afternoon, Steve from Chippewa Solutions. What I'm going to do today, we're going to demonstrate the Chippewa Motor Guardian. What we're going to do now, each one of these weights represent 1 pound. The liquid coefficient of drag in an engine is 180 pounds of pressure. What we're going to do here right now, 5 weights, 180 pounds. This is the Rockwell 60 hardness race and roller bearing. All wear occurs in an engine at dry startup, and what we're going to do right now will represent the dry startup.
And they work good? They work
Okay, that happens every time you start the engine up, whether it be your motorcycle, garden tractor, or family sedan. So what we're going to do now, we're going to test several different oils to show what the oil companies supposedly don't want you to see. Brand name oil here, which is a PAO, which stands for polyalpha olefin. Put this on here. I'm going to spin the engine. It stops. Another brand oil right here. Once again, it stops. Brand name oil. Once again, it stops. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to demonstrate the Chippewa Motor Guardian. You can add this to any oil, 1.5 ounces per quart. It's soybean based. Okay, what we have now, we're going to go ahead and add 54,000 pounds of weight because of the weight ratio. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to go back to the original 5 weights, which is the 180 pounds of pressure per square inch, coefficient of drag. 5 weights. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to wipe the bearing clean, as you'll see. And to make sure that the bearing is clean, after I wipe it off, I'm going to use a brand brake clean. I'm going to spray the bearing. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to shut the engine off. I'm going to start it back up like I did at the beginning of the demonstration when you heard the initial squeal, the dry startup. This product will eliminate any dry startup. We've eliminated the dry startup, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the extra weight where we originally started out.
The way things are going in another 5 years, it'll be like Star Trek, where that doctor comes up and
I'm going to go back over to the machine. I'm going to turn the machine back off, as you can see. Once again, I'm going to start it back up to show you that we removed all the friction out of the engine. Thank you very much.